Hey, Viola, guess what I heard Bishop thinking about today? He came up with his first alternative to the formal learning process in which we were so stuck on Earth. He's deschooling himself more and more every day. First he admitted he didn't know all there was to know about teleportation, then he said he wanted to know, then he said he'll work on it. I think he is really benefiting not only from being uncommon but from being around all of us. You, Nelson, McLuhan, McLeod, and I. Definitely not from Maxine though, she is so prideful, thinks she's completed her epistemology. But man, she has so much potential. Maybe if she hears the liberation and pleasure Bishop is experiencing in his new approach to education she will swallow her pride. Ah yes, he's come a long way since the first episode, huh? He was so stuck in the linear branching structure of thought. I guess he finally recognized the continuity of our individual existence, which makes our thoughts so infinite. I wonder then if he's grasped the idea that everything is irrelevant and significant at the same time. Do you know if he has talked to McLuhan since his epiphany? I am sure they could exchange some crucial nuggets. Think he will ever write an article for the new media reader back on Earth? I know the uniqueness of his ideas would contribute a lot to the greater good of society.